just talk to the humans. A little understanding might make things better. Can't we talk to the humans and work together now?
No, because they are dead. Play my solo. 0000001. 0000001.
Hey, little kitten mama, this is a song for you. Hey, little kitten mama, this is a song for you. We want you very, 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 very much. Hey, little kitten mama, this is a song for you. Hey, little kitten mama, this is a song for you. We wanna tell you that we love you very much.
Alright, so this is Little Kittens rapping with a song for Little Kitten Mama. She has very long, strong, healing hair like the princess from the Tangled movie. Yeah, she's beautiful for a voice to sing her moves are rolling.
You want me still here?
Yeah!
I'm glad that I'm here. Oh, I inspire you. But you admire me. Oh,
That's a teddy bear.
a little nice bear. You don't think you'll be scared. But when you see the face, you think it starts to chase. You. A ship. Or was there a team? Because I'd go for a drink.
Yeah.
ir tas, ka šis priekšnesums tapa apmēram 15 minūtēs, kad viņi iemācījās kādi nospēlēt ģitāru, bungas, un viņi nebija spēlējis, un tas bija tik ātri, tik fantastiski. Es gribu teikt ļoti lielu paldies Ānijam, kurš bija tik ļoti jauks. Paldies Danielam, kurš uztvēra arī ritmu.
Tēvs teica dēls. Es esmu grēkojis pret debesīm un pret tevi, un es neesmu cienīgs, ka man sauc par tavu dēlu. Bet tēvs bija tik sajūsmināts redzot dēlu, ka viņš deva tam labākās drēbes, kas viņam bija. Un viņš sauc savus kalpus, lai tie sarīko milzīgas viesības par godu savam dēlam, kurš atgriezies mājā. Un tēvs teica, šis ir mans dēls, kurš bija miris un tagad ir atkal dzīves, kurš bija pazudis un tagad ir atkal atrasts. Wow!